It's 2023 and Templar Fire Alarm Systems LLC want to wish you an excellent year. We are so happy to stay here to help you in all the things that our clients need. We offer the services of